Hello, my name is David, and this is the website that I was able to create using Cursor, um, using vibe coding. I basically asked it to create a website that highlights, the latest in skateboarding. So whether that's videos, video parts, interviews, and even an additional archive. Um, and and I let it use an image that I found off of Pinterest as a reference for the aesthetic of the website, and I called it Bootleg, Bootleg magazine. This is referenced off of ID magazine's website layout, and although it's not as bold and immersive as ID, I still think it turned out pretty functional. Um, Up here, these little micro interactions are featured, and there are many others that are featured all throughout the website, which is a pretty neat addition. But it was able to, in a one pager, was able to gather all four things that I wanted it to cover. Unfortunately, it wasn't able to link a video into the homepage, but ideally, a video would play here, and I have a Supreme part film by William Strombeck featured here. If I were to click on the videos, it would take me to this section. For whatever reason, they are out of order. It's interesting. Aesthetically, it's also kind of cool that the top bar does have a lower opacity. But yes, you can get the latest news. Unfortunately, clicking on these does not work. I think that might be maybe an extension to Cursor where you can develop pages that allow more features on your website. But yeah, latest news where you can check out the rise of street skating in Tokyo. That was posted 3 days ago. Um, Anything, this kind of highlights everything. It's events, interviews, videos. It marked down culture as one of them. Latest videos, a video format would possibly be able to play here. Um, yeah, and it's, again, with the micro interactions, interviews, um, self-explanatory as well, just the same thing as um, the parts before it, and then the archive as well, where you can sort. Oh, I want videos, I want interviews, news, culture, um, and these are all featured here. The interesting thing too is that you can type something. If I wanted to look up Godspeed, obviously it's not gonna find something, because there's no mention of Godspeed anywhere. Um, Maybe we can try X Games, and it'll pull up the results that were featured up here, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, that's a quick demo of what AI was able to build with my prompts using, vibe coding. Um, I think that it is a successful bootstrap template. Aesthetically, I don't believe it's too strong, but honestly, can't really rely on AI to make an aesthetic to follow branding, to add that flair. So with what I was able to give it, I think it was successful in creating a format that at least works for like a quick display and a quick demo. So thank you, and yeah, this is my website.